In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Select OK in Welcome pop-up and make sure that timeout is set up to infinite. When you finished, you can close your app and Play Store. Then go into Tab menu and use this pen at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, hold it and drag it up. Then place it wherever you want to. Let go and go back. Then click on it. And as you can see, after that my shortcut turned blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, click on the same tile one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!